Hello kids. Welcome to my channel. Kids Learning.
This is the next video of our alphabet series. Enjoy learning. This video is about the letter C. In phonics, its sound is ka.
Hi children, I am the one and only C. Today, I came with my fellows. Come on, let's meet them. Hi, my friends are here. They will now introduce who they are. Hello kids, I am a yummy, chocolatey cake. Do you enjoy eating me? Talk, talk, I am a crab. I live in water. You can also find me on beach.
Hello, I am a cutie cat. Am I looking pretty? If yes, then press the like button.
Hey, I am the royal crown. I am back with some more. Please welcome them as they share their introduction. C for cloud is here. Please save the earth to help me bring some rain. Hi, I am the clock. My alarm won't let you get late for school. I am candle. I start from C. I am made up of wax and wick combined.
Hey there, pal, it's me, Caterpillar. C is a good friend of mine.
Hi children, what's up? Guess who's here? I have brought some more jolly friends. C clown is here. Hope you are enjoying your day. Hee am a crow. Did you know that I also start with the letter C?
Hi, I am your dream castle, kids.
Moo, hello. I am a cow. I live at the farmhouse. Okay kids, I think you have learned a lot about me and some of my friends. Subscribe this channel to learn more about my other fellow alphabets. Bye bye.
Thank you all for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for complete alphabet series.